Facing bullying at work. Bullying occurs when you are personally confronted in an uncomfortable way and you fear the consequences if you don't act as the bully wants. The threat can be expressed or implied, but in either case, you are being bullied if someone gets in your face in a personal, insulting, or intimidating manner. What bullying looks like. Bullying comes in all forms: name-calling, unwelcome kidding, physical intimidation, threats, harassment, and any other type of abuse. When it comes from a supervisor, a line must be drawn between that person's authority and your personal rights, and you need to be clear on where that line is.